Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact battery type and having the new cell ready. This prevents last-minute stops. Next, remove external power and any backup power sources so the electronics are isolated. Use a flashlight and the correct screwdriver to remove the lock faceplate or battery compartment cover. Keep screws organized. Once exposed, inspect the compartment for corrosion and note battery orientation. Make sure to take a clear photo of the wiring and polarity so you can reinstall the new battery correctly. You now test the installed battery voltage to confirm depletion. This explains whether other faults exist. After powering down, carefully pry out the old cell, avoid bending terminals, and clean contacts using a lint-free swab and isopropyl alcohol if needed. Once clean and dry, align the new battery exactly as photographed and press into place until clips click. Reattach any retained wiring and fasteners. Once mechanically secure, reapply external covers. Make sure to keep fingers steady to avoid shorting terminals. You finish by reassembling the battery compartment and replacing covers and screws. Do not over-tighten as that can strip threads. Power the unit back up and run several lock and unlock cycles to confirm consistent operation, observing any LED or display battery indicators. If the safe has a mechanical override, test that too. If the lock does not respond, recheck polarity and contact integrity, try a known good replacement battery, and then follow the manufacturer reset procedure or contact support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.